Tired of being asked for a credit card when you want to make a simple online purchase? Ever just wanted to use cash for a digital good, a game, or a streaming service? If you don't have a bank account or simply don't want to use your credit card online, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the world of paysafecard and showing you exactly how you can use it to pay online without ever needing a credit card. So, what is paysafecard? Think of it like a prepaid voucher for the internet. You buy a voucher with a specific value either from a local retailer, like a gas station or a supermarket, or from a trusted online merchant. The voucher comes with a unique 16-digit PIN code. That code is your key to spending the value of the card online. The best part? There's no bank account, no credit card number, and no personal information needed. Now, how do you actually use it? It's incredibly simple. First, you need to find a website that accepts paysafecard as a payment method. This is key, as not all online stores use it. Look for the paysafecard logo at the checkout. Once you're on a supported site and ready to pay, just select paysafecard from the list of payment options. A pop-up will appear, asking you to enter your 16-digit PIN. You type in the code from your voucher, and that's it. The transaction is complete and the amount is deducted from your paysafecard balance. If you're buying something more expensive than your voucher, you can even combine up to 10 different PINs to cover the full cost. Paysafecard also has a cool feature called a My Paysafecard account. While you can use vouchers directly without one, creating an account lets you manage all your PINs in one place, top up your account with more credit, and even pay for things just by logging in. It's an extra layer of convenience for frequent users, but again, it's totally optional. The core benefit of using paysafecard directly with a PIN remains: it's secure, anonymous, and requires no traditional banking info. It's the perfect solution for anyone who values privacy or simply doesn't want to tie their financial details to a digital purchase. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.